Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for the Lighting Doctor.
Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here, and one of the questions I always get asked is, if you guys have more base model, an uplight or something that's just a little bit expensive than some of the stuff that we offer. What we do is we resource out all the best landscape lighting materials out there, which doesn't mean the most expensive. It doesn't mean they're the super high end, but what we're looking for is bang for your buck. We want to give you the best fixture for the best price possible. But sometimes, say you're going to be moving in a couple years, or you're just not sure, you don't want to put that much money into your existing home, and you're looking for a fixture that's just a little bit less expensive, but still has a lot of the good qualities that you know is going to last, and it's not going to be like a lot of the garbage that you're going to find on Amazon and the big box stores. Well, that's why we've come up with this other uplight. Now, we spent a lot of years debating this. We've tried a ton of different uplighting fixtures, and to be honest, most of them are just garbage. They don't stand up to the FX Luminaire RS uplight, which we use so often, but we do have another version now that we are offering that is about $30 less, $30, $40 less than the RS uplight. It doesn't have as many features. It's definitely more lightweight. It's an aluminum fixture. It comes in a black finish just like the RS does. And it's a lighter weight aluminum. So you would feel that if you had one of each light, you would know that this is not quite built the same, but from what we found, it's still a really, really good light. So what we like about it and what we've done to kind of incorporate some of that is we've got you a good fixture, but what we do is we actually go and retrofit that. Most of these don't come with lamps. What we do is we give you one of the FX Luminaire, their new Econoline bulbs, their LED bulbs, which are still really efficient compared to a lot of the cheaper LED lamps that are out there, and we actually go and throw that in these fixtures now. So it gives it a little bit more of those premium qualities, lasts a little bit longer, a little bit more efficient than a lot of the stuff you'll find out there, and that's something that we've done, and I don't know if anybody else out there does it. A couple of the key features to this is it's the same drop-in style bulb as the RS uplighting fixture that we use. One of the differences is that when you have to get into the bulb, it's a little bit different because there's a small Allen screw that you have to back off here to lift off this top shroud and put the bulb in. It doesn't come pre-installed like the RS light, so just a little bit more work there, but you are getting an FX Luminaire lamp with still a very good quality fixture. The other thing I like about it too, easy set screw on the side here to adjust angle. All it takes is, same as the RS, it's just a little twist, and then you can go and you can adjust that quite easily. So we do like that. The other thing I like it, the ground stake is not quite as durable as with the RS uplight, but it does have the slot there, which we like, so that you can just slide the wire in and out, so that when you're installing it, why that's important is that now, instead of some fixtures where you actually have to feed the wire through before you pound it in the ground, this one you can pound in the ground first, and then you can slide your light in and then screw it in. Whereas if you don't have that, what tends to happen is now you have to feed it through, and you're trying to pound this in. Well, you got wire here. Well, that can very easily be cut, pinched, and then your light is useless after that. So still a fairly good ground stake for what you're getting and for the price. So another reason we like it. Unlike the RS fixture, which has a 10-foot lead wire, this only has a 3-foot lead wire, which again is one of the reasons we like the RS, because it gives you more design flexibility where to move it. This one you have a little bit less area around, so you might want to leave a little more wire when you bury this, or have a really, really good idea of where you want to put that before you make it permanent. But all in all, really good fixture. Quite a bit cheaper. So if you are looking for more of an econo model, but still way better than anything you're going to find at any of the home improvement stores, on Amazon and that kind of stuff, this is the light for you. You can find this on our website under basically just the individual lighting section, but just another good option when you need some uplighting. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.